Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for more information on this Belgian Waffle Maker set. Now this guy is going to make 4 waffles in less than 5 minutes, which is a very good turnaround, especially if you're cooking for a lot of people or kids, family dinners or breakfast. We're going to do breakfast for dinner later in the video, and I'm going to show you how good and delicious these waffles are going to end up looking. And there's a bunch of timer settings on these. I'm going to zoom in and show you that a little bit later, and all the fun features that are close up on this video that you can't quite see from far away. But from far away, I do want to show you one of my favorite features about this is you can pop these panels off and they're dishwasher safe. So cleanup is going to be a breeze. You just press this side lock button. You can hear it unclick. Pick this up. It's going to come right off. Drop it right into the dishwasher, wash it, clean, easy breezy, good to go. And to put it back in, you're just going to slide it right back in, press down, you're going to listen for that lock again. Locked in, and the top panel is going to do the same thing. That one doesn't make as big of a click noise, but does pop off. You can see all here, dishwasher, safe. And you're going to slide this back in, listen for the click again, and you're ready to go. Now this is going to be very space saving if you want to store it up in a cabinet or something like this. You've got a locking mechanism up on the top. You just want to make sure that you don't lock it when you're making your waffles. This is only for if you're storing it up and down. So lock it, and then you can pick it up like this, and it's going to be able to carry. It's got the nice little handle, unlock when you want to actually make your waffles. So let's put the camera down and I'll give you a walk around tour of this, and then we're going to start making waffles. Okay, so the more detailed close-up features I wanted to show you was your power and ready light. I'll demo later in the video. Your power is going to turn red and the ready light is going to turn green when it's warmed up and ready to go. You can see it's got numerical and word descriptors of how you want your waffles to look. Do you want them to be dark or do you want them to be light? For the demo, I'm going to set it right at 3 because I like a good medium crisp waffle. And you're going to get your waffle manual, which is always good to read just so you're up to date on everything. And look at this waffle recipes. Now, I hope mine turn out looking like that, but knowing myself, they probably won't. Give you a quick flip through here of recipes you can make. Those look delicious. So many fun things to try. So let's get to cooking. Okay, our green light just kicked on. As you can see there in the right-hand corner, we've got it sprayed with oil, top and bottom. Our baking mix right here. I just went with a generic box mix for this one. Our 1/2 cup measuring scoop. And let's pour. Looks like I'm going to need to fill it in just a little bit. And I'm going to come back in with my spoon and help spread it evenly so I can get that nice fluffy Belgian waffle. Top off where needed. A little bit more in that corner. And just a dollop right there and right there. Okay, let's set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes and we will check back. Okay, let's check them out. Perfect! A beautiful golden brown, just what I wanted. Gonna use a non-stick spatula here, slide them right on over here to the plate. All right, I'm gonna continue making these and then we'll show you the complete finished displayed product. It's breakfast for dinner, guys. Here is the finished product. Can't wait to try them out. Looks delicious. We're still cooking round 2, but we're probably gonna eat round 1 while it's cooking.
Hey guys, so if you're on the hunt for an awesome new waffle iron, look no more. This Elechomes Waffle Maker that I've got set up right here is the simplest to use. So it comes fully assembled, everything's all ready to go. The waffle iron itself, it makes 4 different waffles, so you guys can see it here. It's got the 4 different compartments to make the waffles, and what's really cool about it is when you preheat it, you can tell it how you like your waffles. So I like mine kind of light golden, which means that when I turn it on, I'm gonna turn it on to like a 1 or a 2 on here. If you like them darker and a little crispier, you can turn it up to the dark, which is a 5. So it's going to cook them perfectly however it is you like them. So you just turn it on, tell it what you want, and when it gets to the right temperature, the green light's gonna come on, and then you're gonna know that it's time to go ahead and put your waffles in. Another super great feature about this is it's dishwasher safe, which you're like, how do I put waffle irons in the dishwasher? So these have a little button just right here on the side that you can just push the button. It releases the waffle iron, and you can just take the whole thing out. Wipe it down, clean it however you want, and then you just pop it right back in. You can hear it snap when I do it. The top does the same thing. There's just a button up here on the side. You push, it pops out. You wipe it down, throw it in the dishwasher, however you want to clean it, and it's good to go for the next time. So really like great features with that. It also has a spill-proof lining here around the edge. Let me see if I can get a little closer for you guys. But you can see this edging around it means if I put in too much batter into the waffle iron, instead of spilling over onto my counters and creating a whole big mess, it just goes ahead and spills right into those edges and continues to bake along with the rest of the waffles. So I'm gonna give you a chance to see how this thing works, and you'll see why I think it's so great. Now that our waffle iron is ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and put about a cup batter just right here in the middle of the waffle iron, and as I close it, it will disperse the batter. The instructions say that you can close the lock to get a nice even heat. So let's give it a couple minutes and check out our waffles. All right, guys, let's check out these waffles. Look at that beautiful light golden color. I could have put a little bit more batter in there if I wanted to make sure it filled up the edges. I'm a lot less concerned with their look than their taste. So go ahead, grab this waffle maker and check out these awesome recipes that come with it to make your own Belgian waffles at home.